My name is Alexis L. I am the owner of Children's Lighthouse of Oak Forest. So my overall satisfaction with the maintenance services is superb. I feel like everyone on the team is very responsive. My maintenance supervisor, I can text him with any request or anything that I need, and he is not only very quick to respond, but exceeds my expectations, and everything that they do makes the property look as good as it can. So I believe the key benefits for using Hogue Landscaping Services is that they take care of everything. I don't have to think about it. We actually, when we opened, we didn't have a landscape company. And so they took overgrown grass and no services and transformed everything, made everything beautiful. And over the years that they've been our service company, we've replaced grass with turf, and they've helped with maintaining trees, replacing trees that didn't last, and just making everything look beautiful. Any maintenance challenges that we've encountered have always been identified by my maintenance supervisor before I even notice them, which has been phenomenal because it's one less thing that I have to think about. But anytime I have noticed something that has been an issue, my maintenance supervisor is very quick to help us resolve it as quickly as possible and without disturbing the children and services around the school. I believe that customer support and problem solving has been exceptional. The crew will come out and do our regular maintenance, and they'll notice something that needs to be fixed, and they are very quick to alert Junior, and then it just gets taken care of, and I'm notified kind of after the fact. So it's just one less thing that I have to worry about, which is great. As a business owner, it's great to not have to think about all those little things.